Okay, so when I'm in Classroom, if I click on one of my classes and I go to the About section, you have the calendar. When you view in Classroom, it opens it up and you only have the option to view all of the calendars for what you have classes for. So you can't view any of your other calendars that you've created in Google Calendar. So to look at your other calendars, you can click on Open in Google Calendar, and then that opens and any calendars that you've created show up here. So if you've shared the calendar that you've created with everybody, I'll show you how I did mine. You go to Calendar Settings, and I have shared this calendar I checked this box, share this calendar with everyone in Black Oak Mine. They should be able to see all the events. I've also shared it with Carrie and Bonnie changed her login to be able to view it to this email address. I'm not sure why, but those two people can make changes and manage sharing settings. And also in this calendar details is where you're going to get the code to be able to embed the calendar if you want. So you can paste this code into your website. I'm actually going to contact Carrie to see if she wants me to have a go at trying to do this on Northside's website. You might be doing the same thing for Georgetown's, but down here you have the calendar address. If you click on HTML and then you copy this link address, and then if you go back to your Google Classroom, another thing that you can do is add class materials. You can insert a link and paste that link into there, and you post it. We call it Northside Calendar, and you post it. And in theory, anybody who's part of your classroom can click on that and go directly to the Northside calendar. So I don't know if people who you didn't share it with will be able to see this. I'm not positive. I guess you'd have to play around and ask people to see if that was the case. Actually, I could just log out. Why don't I do that? I'm going to log out and find out and log in with my student login to see if I can see this. So let's close all of this stuff because it's kind of finicky. And about logins. So if I sign out here and I sign in as my student account, which looks like I've never signed in with my student account, use another account here. And I go to Team Harvey Noriega. I go to the About section. There's the Northside calendar. And I can see it. But that is possibly because I'm a student at Black Oak Mine and I set the privacy as anybody at Black Oak Mine. But anyway, that was a win. So that worked. Let me just double check. August, first day of school. Yeah, all that's there. Okay.